Inside your package, you'll find an MTP cooler, gel packs, a detachable card, as well as screws and a plate to go with that card. This cooler has two separate compartments. The first is the platelet compartment located on the top lid. Next to the label, there's a QR code for further instructions on using the MTP cooler. The second compartment is in the middle of the cooler. It's designed to hold RBCs and plasma content at the same time. Next, we have the gel packs. You'll utilize them by charging for the required time, then placing them into the MTP cooler with your contents. Now let's take a look at the detachable card. Notice the two screws and the plate that comes with the card. Assembly is a breeze. Just insert the screws and tighten them. Now let's secure the MTP cooler onto the card. Fasten the back of the cooler onto the card using the provided screw. Lock the handle by pushing the lever down, and you're good to go.